Alright, so now for the seat of these chairs, you first want to figure out approximately how big you want your seat to be. I'm doing mine approximately 16 inches in width versus about 15 inches in depth. So what I did first is I ran these through the planer to get them all at the same depth. Alright, so I pulled these off of, these are leftovers from a piece of a pallet. So I took them apart as I showed in the other video and then ran these through several times until I got them all at an equal thickness, enough to make my table. Next, I ran it on the table saw as I did with the 2x4s, except these I did on both sides to get a nice square edge on both sides, right? So you cut off one side and then move the bar in a little, cut off the other side. Next, for creating your cross braces between your 2x4, you're going to have to measure your overall desired length. So in my case, this dimension I wanted approximately 14.5 inches. So that ends up being about an 8-inch cross member to account for the two 2x4s on either side. Gives me a total of about 14.5 inches. And then, so you're going to need 4 of those sides, and you'll create 2 panels similar to this. And then you'll need another set that's slightly longer, in this case about 11.5 inches, that will connect this way once we're done. Alright, to make the connections I'm using pocket holes. So for these I'm using 3/4 inch measurements. So I'm setting my pocket drill depth as well as the pocket drill jig to 3/4 inches and using 1 1/4 inch softwood screws. In planning to attach the seat to the base of the chair, I'm going to need pocket holes drilled into the cross members of the base. So to do this, I line up the center of my cross member with the center of the seat. So I've made measurements on the center of the middle board and on the center of my cross member. And from there, I can figure out exactly where I'm going to need to draw these boards. So I'm going to make little lines. See if I can do this here. Little lines with where the ends of the boards are. So I know I need to have my pocket holes in between those marks. For setting the pocket drill when I'm drilling into the seat, I want to make sure I don't go through, and since my boards are a little bit smaller than 3/4 inch, I made the adjustment to kind of in between 5/8 and 1.5 inches for the setting on the collar on the screw. Remember, you can adjust this, and it's always good to test a piece. So like I tested my depth on this piece so that I know I was using a 3/4 inch jig with this size measurement, and it didn't come through on my back side. That's not coming in very good. All right. And now I've drilled the pocket holes in the wood on 2 separate boards. All right. They'll go on either side when I'm done.